Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to share with you guys another mini notebook I made before I ship it off because this one was a custom order. Sorry, just fixing my camera a little bit. This one was a custom. Somebody wanted a dog themed mini notebook after I made my cat one. So I wanted to share with you guys what I made. Now, I am for some reason running low on like cat paper and dog paper. I guess I just used at all, which is great, but I totally should have realized that when I was placing my last like Echo Park order that I should have ordered more doggy paper and cat paper. But anyway, so this is what I was working with. I had some scraps just from a variety of dog themed Echo Park collections. Like this one is from the I Love My Dog collection. Then I was using the My Dog collection for the 6x6. This one's from a 12x12, obviously. Some of these are from the 6x6, and like some of these are from the 12x12 like collection I was working with, you know, like just like some random scraps. This is just like a random sheet I had in my stash. So this is just kind of like my dog themed scrap pile. So I was able to use some of these scraps to make this mini, and then I also, because I needed some larger sheets, I also pulled from this, which is the My Dog by Echo Park, and I have some scraps that goes with the other collection. This is also a cut apart, so that goes with the other one. This is a random one that I had in my stash, like dog themed kind of paper. Like literally, I'm just running low on dog paper. And I don't know what I'm going to do with the last of this. So there's a bunch of like little cut aparts from the collection. And then I only have 6 sheets left. A lot of these have cut aparts. Now, if I don't use the cut apart side, I can make one more notebook and then still use these cut aparts within. So I can make one more because I would need exactly like 6-ish sheets to do that. Actually, no, I probably need a little bit more. I would need... I guess I could do 6 sheets if I do a plain cardstock color and then a pattern on top of it. Then I could probably do it the 6 sheets. So I could make one more mini notebook with this, but I don't know if I want to do another mini notebook or if I should just do something else with those 6 sheets. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts, you guys. I mean, I'm gonna have to figure it out anyway. By the time you guys see this video, I probably would have already figured it out. But for next time when I have 6 sheets left, or if other people are looking for other ideas other than mini notebooks, just let us know what you would make with 6x6 sheets left and some random scraps. Anyway, so I just wanted to do a flip through of this cute little guy because he turned out adorable, if I may say so myself. And so let's get into the video and the flip through. Alright, so here is obviously what it looks like. I did one of the cut aparts that just says love starts with a wet nose and ends with a tail. Has little doggies all around and it's so cute. I did use my cinch wire here. This is my 1-inch wire, which I will link down below because I just buy a set of it in like black, I think white, silver, and gold. So it just comes in like a big box. It's not the We Are Memory Keepers brand, but I love it because it's much cheaper and you kind of get them in bulk and I love it. And it kind of pushes me to use it even more. So then on the back here, I just did this pattern and I have another handmade kind of stamp thingy that I added here. And then you open this up. I added some stickers throughout here because I just had some leftover stickers and things. I printed this vellum piece on just like printable vellum paper, and I just printed it, added a sticker because it does kind of curl up a little bit if you don't add a sticker. So I added a sticker, kind of keeping it more flat. You can see the edges are still trying to curl up a little bit, but for the most part, when you add a sticker to it, it keeps it like flat. So that's good. Then I had this random blue piece in my stash. This is actually from a Miss Kate Cutables summer paper collection, and the colors just go really well with like the dog themed and the cat themed Echo Park paper. I'm going to show you guys a couple more scraps that I have from that paper, and it just works so well with the dog and cat themed paper. So I will try to link that down below. I don't know if she sells her solid separately. I think she does, but if she still has it available, I will link it down below because it works really good with these collections. Then you have a total of 40 index card pages throughout this notebook, but 10 in between each divider. And for some of these, because I was trying to also use up stickers, for some of these I just decorated a little bit with some stickers that I had, because now I have like 3 dog sticker sheets that are not used up and like barely any doggy paper left. So I tried to use some cut aparts throughout here, the little ones that were in the collection and the 6x6. So it says dogs rule and cats drool. You've got this piece. This is from a 12x12 scrap I had. Here's another. Oh, this is like 2 of the cut aparts that I didn't cut. So it just says bark means I love you and dog, and then this could be like a little journal spot. And then here's my divider that I used. So the divider background is from the 6x6, and then this is a scrap from the 12x12. You can see like the pattern is bigger, but it totally works, you guys. So I just added in a plain blank white tag. I just love to cut out tags with my 110 pound cardstock scraps. And so I do that all the time, and I just add them into like these little mini notebooks or in card folios sometimes. And I just love like the fall stitching on it. It does come as a nested tag die set, so you get like a variety of sizes, and I will link that down below in case you guys are interested. And then there was this little scrap that I had from the 6x6 as well for mama, dog, dad, and the person can either cut those up and use them throughout and decorate, or, you know, just kind of leave it there. Sorry, you guys, I have my cleaning lady here and she's cleaning while I'm filming, which is totally fine. I mean, that's what she's here to do. I just needed to close the door, so you guys heard the vacuum. So here I have a tag up top, and I normally do my tags 2.5 inches wide. This one is about 2 inches, and I was just using, like I said, scrap, so I had to make it work. I've got seam binding up here. This is from My Scrap Cabin Shop. I get all of my seam binding from My Scrap Cabin Shop, and I love it. I have so many different colors, and if you guys want to get any, you could use the code Carolina10 for 10% off your order. And then here I've got another little pocket. We've got this tag die set again that I just, well, tag die that I used to cut out these tags. So I did a blank one, and then I did one actually with one of the colored papers, and it's white on the back. I had this random scrap. This is just like some random doggy paper I had in my stash, so I just put it in here. This is like more like a paperweight and not as thick as like cardstock like the rest of this. Here I've got another little like cut apart. It says It's a Rough Life, and this opens up. I wish I would have put this one a little bit higher because you can't see the paper clip peeking out from the top. I mean, maybe a little teeny bit, but I wanted it to be more visible. So I'm just going to put it up a little higher, trying to keep it visible. But I wish I would have punched this a little higher so that it would be more visible, kind of like the other tool on top there. Then you've got this blue cardstock, again from the Miss Kate Cuttables. It works with this. I've got an angled pocket here, some tags again, and then another cut apart, Eat, Sleep, Play, Repeat. It's just so cute. I love dog themed paper. I wish they still had a pink one, and I know that there's like some kind of like pink one, not by Echo Park. I really want a pink one by Echo Park. Like, those are my favorite kind of papers, and I would probably need to buy like minimum of 5 of them if Echo Park had a pink themed dog one. That would be great. So here I've got another tag, and I just matted them onto some blank white cardstock so that you can write on the back of those, because otherwise it was double-sided paper. Another pocket here, angled pocket. Just added some more stickers. That one says Bark. Added another sticker here, just a little paw print, and we've got a cut apart that says dogs are not our whole life, but they make our life whole. And this is just a blank red scrap I had. So I threw it in here. It was just sitting on my desk from making a cat themed one prior to making this one, and so it matched and I used it. I got another sticker here that says Puppy Love, and then this is our third divider, and this tag you can see is wider. This one is the 2.5 inches because I had enough for this one to make it wider, and the other ones were about 2 inches. And then back here, another scrap, and made a belly band. Got my tag here, and then I used a sticker that says Bark. And then here I had another scrap of the orange and this large like angled pocket, which I still have another one, but I decided to just use it and make this like a little angled pocket, and I added another tag in here and then a blank scrap and just added another sticker there. So that is what I made with a mix of a variety of, I guess, Echo Park dog themed collections. And I think I'm gonna go on the Echo Park website now, look through my stash, see what I don't have, and add some to my cart. I'm not gonna buy it yet, but just add it to my cart so that next time there is a sale, I will kind of know what I need to look for, and I like to do that so that I know what I need to look for next time. All right, anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video sharing my dog themed mini notebook. Again, if you guys want the tutorial, I do have one on my channel. I will link it down below where you guys can find the tutorial and make some of your own. And yeah, it's just really cute, and I can't wait to mail this to the person. They're gonna love it. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.